Hi everyone, unbox my new wireless mic with me. The microphone is meant to be Bomje. I don't know if it's called Bomje or Bomge or Bomje. Wireless mic, but whatever it is. So I ordered it from Jumia, and this is me unboxing the mic. So I saw that it is written on the microphone pack that it is F4, but the product I actually placed order for was called Boomje Wireless. So I was actually expecting a Boomje Wireless, but then nothing spoiled. So the contents, we have two microphone, one receiver, that's the one you plug to the phone. Then it came with charger. It also came with a manual that you can read. Please don't follow that manual, I beg, because when I tried to use it, when I read the manual says we should click on a power button and connect, but when I clicked it wasn't working. I never knew it was going to be a long press. So click long press. I don't know how the China people interpreted their Chinese to English, but then if you get this and you want to connect it, you want to pay it, you just have to long press on the power button. So this is basically all the contents in the box. Thanks for unboxing with me. Bye. Peace out.